The winter months are almost here, so it's time for the WRAL Severe Weather Center's winter outlook. It's always fun to look at how we did with last year's forecast, so let's start with that. Last year, we were in a La Nina pattern, and our research led us to believe that temperatures would be above normal with a few cold snaps, and that snowfall would likely fall short of the climatological normal of 6.8 inches. We went with 3 to 5 inches of snow, and it turned out to be a fairly cold winter. Temperatures were overall below normal for December, January, and February. 34 of 90 days were above normal. The coldest day was 16 degrees on December 26th. The warmest was 71 degrees on February 28th. For snow lovers, we were just a bit too optimistic with the snow. We forecasted 3 to 5 inches of snow and received a measly 1.2 inches, a bit under our prediction. Let's get started with this year's forecast. We'll send it over to Mike Mays with a look at the temperature forecast.
Like last year, we're expected to be in a La Nina pattern during the winter months. Globally, temperatures tend to be below normal during a La Nina pattern. However, we look back over the last 51 years locally and found out 9 of those were La Nina years. Every single La Nina year, with the exception of last year, had above normal temperatures during the winter months. We're going to go stick with those odds and forecast above normal temperatures with a few cold snaps. For our snowfall forecast, let's send it over to Elizabeth Gardner. Elizabeth, we know you're hoping for at least one good snowfall.
We only had 1.2 inches of snow last year, and that didn't even come all at once. So it was a pitiful snow season for us. I'd love to get a good snowstorm this year, but as always, this is one of the trickiest parts of our winter weather forecast. If you love snow, we do have some good news to share. For every La Nina year, we've had at least one measurable snow event and at least 3 days with a trace of snow in addition to that. In other words, every La Nina year, we've had a minimum of 4 days with snowflakes seen. So I'm hoping that we'll at least get some snow here. So we're going with 2 to 5 inches, which is just under the climatological normal of 6.8.